In this video, I will show you how to remove bounced emails from Mailchimp. This is Mailchimp.com website, and first I will log in to my account by filling my username and password here. Click on login. Once you're inside your account, click on all contacts below audience. If you have a small number of bounced emails, you can easily click on email status, this filter. Click on it till you see this tag of cleaned. Now all of these emails are bounced, and to remove them just select them like that. If you want to select multiple emails at once, click on shift on your keyboard and click the top email, and you will see, or you will select multiple bounced emails. Now all you need to do is to click on these three dots and hit this delete contacts, and you can either permanently delete for compliance reasons or just archive them. As you can see, archiving does not contribute to contact limits or billing, but even with that I will go with permanently delete this bounced email. Click on this continue to delete button. Check that you understand that these contacts can never be re-imported again. Confirm your deletion by writing permanently delete in uppercases. Now click on this permanently delete button. And just like that, you've permanently deleted bounced emails. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. If you think you have lots of bounced emails and you want to remove them, just click on Manage Audience, go to Segments, click on Create Segment button. Now click on this button to select a filter. Look for email subscription status, click on it. Then click on this filter and add cleaned. After that, deselect subscribed. Now as you can see, the email subscription status is one of cleaned. Click on review segment. Give it a name, for example, bounced emails. Click on review segment. They are now looking for all the emails with the status of cleaned, which means bounced. As you can see, this is your emails. Now click on use segment. As you can see, bounced emails is saved and ready to use. Now scroll down a little bit, click again on manage audience, then segments. As you can see, this is my saved segment. It's called bounced emails. Click on it. Now you will see only the bounced emails, and to remove them all at once, just check this box and you will select them all at once and hit again these three dots and select delete contacts. Now click on permanently delete these contacts and click on continue to delete button. Make sure that you are only deleting the same number of contacts to not make big mistakes. Check this option. I understand these contacts can never be re-imported again. Again, filling permanently delete and click on this permanently delete button. And this is how to remove bounced emails from Mailchimp. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.